Okay, Lanaya, would you give me the detergent?
Yeah.
So that would be up there.
Yes.
So we are going to
It
be
says
using
detergent.
this all bleach free clear detergent, stain lifters.
Detergent.
We really love the mega value.
Yeah, and it says detergent also.
Yes, it says detergent. Come on, Naya. Okay. Let's pour. Oh, I don't know about this.
Watch how this stuff is done. Because you are going to watch how all the videos and this filming how this stuff is done. Let's get started. Now let's get started. So let's get started.
Okay.
Arvin and Yuku.
Is this how much?
That's how much. We're gonna need that.
Just a little bit more.
We need a little bit more so we could get this ending story done. Alright. What my sister's doing, we're showing you guys how to do it. Yay! Friendship party.
Then, like another one.
Yeah. Another one. I like that much porous.
Just oh, wait, hold on. Wait, don't push it in yet. Okay, just a little bit more of this.
Alright, this is what you're gonna do, guys.
Don't say guys, Lanaya.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what? Okay. That one was a little overwhelming, but that's okay.
Because it's still okay.
Just a little. And then push it in, bud. What are you doing? Strong winds.
That scared at me.
And then let's go wash our hands.
Dad!
Okay. Let's go.
I'm right here.
There's the dryer, and then there is the washer.
Ooh.
Oh my
You
God.
almost made the phone.
I do not know what just happened. Okay, let go. Okay, and then somewhere
There is
Gotcha.
the dryer.
the washer and the dryer. So I have some clothes above the dryer. So let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, move. Move, you don't always have to be in the pit. Washer. Okay, let's wash our hands now. Ready to wash your hands?
Too scared to.
We always use this because it's perfect on hands too.
Yay!
Wait, pull your sleeves up. Some for you, some for me.
I don't know what I'm doing with this this in my hand. This is actually stuff for your hand.
Let's go get a towel.
Yeah.
What happened to
How exciting is this? We have this. I'm just going to be showing them our stuff we have. We have this.
Close the hardware drawer.